In this video, I will show you 10 shortcuts that will save you a lot of time. I have breakdown shortcuts into 4 parts so that it would be easy for you to remember. Let's start with single key shortcut. These 4 are the most commonly used shortcuts, which is when we press D, it will bring text box. Now you can write your text. When pressed R, it will bring rectangle shape, which can be customizable into any sizes. Then you can also change the color of the rectangle as well. When pressed C, it will bring circle to insert in your design. When pressed L, it will bring line into your design. These were common use, so you may have already known it. Now let's move to lesser known shortcuts. We have habit of pressing Ctrl plus left click to select multiple items at once. But in Canva you may have noticed you can't do that. Actually, there is another way of doing it. Instead of pressing Ctrl on Windows or CMD on Mac, press Shift then left click on element. Let's select donut and bowl and noodle. Now it's easily selected and you can move them. Or if you only want to select donuts, then you can press Shift then left click on those 2 items only. If you use Canva, then you may work with multiple layers. But the problem is if you want to select last layers, then it is very difficult. For example, if you have layers like this and you want to select 3rd layer, then press Ctrl or CMD on Mac then left click until the layer is selected. Next is grouping the element. Let's take example of this shoes, where I am going to use shadow. Now I will select these 2 elements, Ctrl plus G. Now you can move 2 elements at once. If you want to ungroup it, then right click Ctrl Shift G, and the element is ungrouped. If you want to quickly duplicate, then you can press Ctrl plus D or press Alt plus left click, or simply press this icon like this. The most important shortcut you want to remember is layer. Trust me guys, this is lifesaver. In Canva you may need to work with multiple layers like this. Press Alt plus 1. Then you get layer tab. From there you can make any changes. Now finally I have listed some of the most used layers shortcut. From there you can bring your element front or send it back like this. Guys, as soon as watching this video you need to try this, otherwise you will forget it. Since you are watching till the end, here are some bonus shortcuts as well. To access ruler, simply press Shift plus R. Now you will see on top there is ruler. You simply need to drag and bring the ruler into your design. Now you can make multiple pages with consistent design. If you want to hide this sidebar, then press this. Again press the same to bring it back. This shortcut is useful if you are a college student working with presentation. Press Ctrl plus Alt plus P. Hit that like button if you learned something new. There you have it guys, 10 shortcuts which will save you a lot of time.